What's up, guys? This video that we're doing today, it's mostly just us tinkering with the up pipe on the going to the turbo, and part of it you'll see where the turbo's been put back on, or where I'm putting it back on. Thomas is out there helping me with this one, or that part of it anyways. It's not a whole lot, but we've got it back together. I think I've already said that in one of the other videos, but we've got a exhaust on it now. Sounds really good. That'll be in the next video. It's doing really well. I don't really know what else we're going to be doing soon to it. We might be changing out the tail lights. I've got to pick up those probably later this week. Or yeah, I'm definitely picking them up later this week as soon as I get back in town. Yeah, I think that's just about it for tonight. Yeah, you gotta overlook me. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, maybe. Yeah, it's getting pretty late. It's calling reinforcements. What's up, Chris? Hey, you good back there?
Yep, I'm good.
Okay.
Alright, put her down.
You're awesome. That's all I needed to get this up pipe on this turbo.